In this tutorial, I'll show you how to be a crypto trader on TradingView. By the end, you'll have your TradingView account set up, you'll be practicing safely with paper trading, you'll know how to connect a supported broker for live orders, you'll analyze crypto markets effectively, and you'll manage risk with stop losses and controlled leverage. First, set up your account and workspace. Go to TradingView.com and create a new account. Sign in, then open a chart. Customize the workspace so it's comfortable and efficient for you. Change the chart type to candlesticks, pick your preferred time frame, and choose a light or dark theme. On the right, build a watch list by adding common crypto pairs you plan to follow. You can drag panels to rearrange them and save your layout so it opens the same way next time. The goal here is a clean, consistent workspace that makes decisions easier. Next, practice with paper trading. At the bottom of the chart, click Trading Panel. In the list, choose Paper Trading, then click Connect. You're now in a risk-free environment. Any orders you place here are simulated, so you can test entries, exits, and order types without using real money. This is the best place to get comfortable with order tickets and verify your workflow before moving to live trading. Now, connect a broker for live trading. Stay in the trading panel and select a supported broker, for example, Binance or Coinbase. Click Connect. A secure login or authorization window will appear. Follow the prompts to link your account. Once connected, your order ticket on TradingView will route to that broker. Before placing any live order, double-check the account, the symbol, the order size, and the order type. If anything looks off, cancel and adjust. This prevents costly mistakes. From here, analyze the crypto markets. At the top, click the search bar and type the pair you want, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT, then open the chart. Add technical indicators by clicking Indicators. Start simple. Moving averages to see trend direction, RSI, to gauge momentum, or MACD for momentum shifts. Adjust settings to match your approach. To scan for ideas, open the Crypto Pairs screener from the bottom toolbar. Set filters for volume, price change, or performance, and sort the results to find active markets. Click any row to open the chart, and use your indicators to confirm if the setup meets your criteria. Finally, manage risk with stop losses and controlled leverage. When you place an order, set a stop loss in the order panel so the position closes automatically if price moves against you. On the chart, you can also drag the stop line to the exact level you want. Confirm the stop order type and price before you submit. If you use leverage, set it conservatively in your broker's settings or in the order ticket, and only increase it if you fully understand the impact on your position size and liquidation risk. Keeping leverage limited and using stop-loss orders protects your capital and keeps you in the game long-term. At this point, you've set up your TradingView account and workspace, practiced safely with paper trading, connected a supported broker for live orders, analyzed crypto pairs with indicators and the crypto pairs screener, and put risk controls in place with stop losses and limited leverage. Your crypto trading setup on TradingView is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.